Alright everybody, DIY Raymond, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Ryobi Premium Electric Pressure Washer, 1700 PSI at 1.2 gallons per minute. Yeah, that's not very powerful, however this is perfect for just doing little stuff around the house with. You know, one thing I like about it is electric. You don't got to worry about it setting up and then having to clean the carburetor out or stuff like that. Now, I will say I went ahead and hooked everything up, but I have not turned it on yet. I haven't sprayed anything with it yet. This has been sitting up in my shed for probably about 4 to 5 months. It's now today is September 15th, 2019, and I think the last time I used it was probably in March of 2019. No later than April, but I'm pretty sure it's probably March of 19. So anyways, I already got it plugged up to the wall socket. The cord, it comes with about a 25-foot cord, maybe 30 foot. So it comes with a pretty long cord. This hose here is probably about 16 foot. So let's go ahead and check it out. Press the on button. Alright, so when it does that, that means there's water hooked into there. So we're going to try it out. Pretty good. It's not that loud either. So, right here I do have the cardigan. I do have my waterproof casing around my camera. So as you can see, I washed it a little bit. Go ahead and just, all I'm doing today is just spraying it down, and then my wife will take it by later this week. I'll wash it. I'm just going here and spray it up. Neglected this car. You know, I can't really have a good excuse why I haven't been washing it. So some of this stuff, it is staying on a little bit. It's pretty good. This is the 2019 Toyota Corolla SE. You see the wheels. It's dirty and dusty because it's at my uncle's house. He stays way out in the country, and wiping it down to get it to come off. When I hit it, when the air is not coming off, I'm going to come back and wipe it up with a wash rag and stuff to get it off. But like I said, this pressure washer is only 1.2 gallons per minute, which is not that powerful. You can't go and get the powerful ones that do about 3 gallons per minute, but the extra PSI is about 2,500 PSI to 3,000 PSI, and when it's that fast and that powerful, you're going to risk chipping your paint up and stuff like that. So this pressure washer here is perfect for doing the cars with. You don't got to worry about it taking your paint off or whatever. For this video, I'm going to show you another thing. This right here, my father-in-law's truck has been sitting here for a while. I don't like it sitting here, but anyways, it's not my call too much on some of that. But watch this. So as you can see, where I hit it at, and then where it's not been hit at yet. So as you can see, the pressure washer is good. Now if you let bugs stay in your car for months at a time or weeks at a time, yeah, it'd be hard for those to come off. But just regular pressure washing stuff you got, and you got to do your house, your concrete, your sidewalk, all that, no problem. See that windshield right there? Go ahead and move this bag out of the way. Go ahead and hit that windshield up. Make sure I can see it. So as you can see the difference on where I hit it at and where it's not been hit at. So definitely it's not a bad pressure washer at all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will include a link to the description below for this pressure washer. We can buy it at Home Depot. We got it at Home Depot online. We got it. We also got that free deck cleaning disc, a little 12-inch disc. Other than that, thing's pretty good. It's got your, this is for your soap, when you want to do soap. This right here sends the water out. It does little spirals with the water that kind of throw a little bit different angles out when you're pressure washing stuff, cleaning stuff. But yeah, definitely good on pressure washing. Like I said, it's electric, so you don't have to worry about the carburetor. I'm not sure if this pump will get clogged up later on or just stop working if you don't use it for a while, but that's something we'll find out later on, I guess. But anyways, like I said, great pressure washer. I highly recommend it. And again, thanks for watching. DIY Randy. Let's go.